I'm going to show you how to create a sway. First, make sure that you're logged into office.com, go to sway, and click New Blank Sway. Here you're going to select what title you want for your sway. I'm going to make my sway about hockey. I want a background image for my sway. So I click background, and this opens up a pane on the right side. And because I selected hockey before, or I typed hockey before, I have this as a possible search for pictures. I click hockey, it loads a bunch of pictures on the right side, and I can drag and drop this as my background image. I can close this pane for right now. Underneath your card for your title is a green plus sign. Here are all of your options of what you can add into your sway. This is the suggested tab, and then there's other options under text, media, and group. I'm going to stay under the suggested tab for right now and select heading. This is like a subtopic within your presentation. So in this case, I'm going to talk about just the NHL. I can add a background image if I want, but in this case, I'm just going to add text underneath it. Select text, and I can type whatever I want. So I wrote, there are 31 teams in the NHL. I'm going to click this button here to make it larger. You always want to make your text as big as possible in a sway. If it's a little bit smaller, it may be hard to read. And here are your other options as well too to edit your text. I want to add some pictures underneath here. So I'm going to hit the green plus sign and select image. This will open the right pane again, and I can drag and drop more pictures underneath. And you see a green line that's underneath here. That means if I drop the picture there, the picture will be underneath this card here. Now, I don't have an image in here, so I can actually drag and drop another picture into that area. I would suggest just dragging and dropping pictures into that open area, and when the green line shows, you can let go. You can also change the size of these pictures as well. You can also input videos into your sway by clicking the tab at the top right. I'm going to drag and drop this video here. Now that I've added a bunch of content to my sway, I want to actually see what it looks like. I'm going to click design. I can scroll up and down now and see what my sway actually looks like. Now your sway, you may have to go side to side, and we're going to see those options here. When you're under your design tab, you can click styles in the top right hand corner. This allows you to scroll vertically, horizontally, or make it look more like PowerPoint in slides. The best button in the whole entire world with sway is this remix button. I'm going to click the remix button, and you'll notice on the left hand side my sway is going to change. The text, the color, the size of things, and it makes it a nice way to just click the remix button a bunch of times and see if there is an option that pops up that you like. I'm going to click it another time. And I like this option, but I don't like it horizontally scrolling. I like it vertically scrolling. Then I'm going to click this play button up at the top right and see what my sway actually looks like when somebody views it or when I present it to a large group. When you are done with that, and if you want to share, you can click the share button at the top right, select anyone with a link, and you can copy this link and send it to anybody. Now remember, your sways are online and they automatically save online in your Office 365 account, so there's never a reason to actually save.